5 emerging modes of business. So you people take pen and paper to note down your score, and at last you can tell me your score in comment section. So let's see the first question. E-commerce does not include. Options are like this: A business's interaction with its supplier, B a business's interaction with its customers, C interactions amongst the various departments within the business, and D interactions amongst the geographically dispersed units of the business. So here we can see the question is negative question. E-commerce does not include. So when we are talking about e-commerce, it is including interaction with suppliers, customers and various units, but it does not include the interaction with various departments within business. So here our answer is option C, interactions amongst the various departments within the business. Next is e-business includes e-commerce, human resource management, production, all of this. So we know that e-business is a very wider term, so it includes all the three options given here. So the answer is here option D, all of these. Next is a firm's interaction with supplier is example of B2B, B2C, C2C or none of these. So here we know that a firm and supplier both are doing business. So it is an example of option A, business to business, that is B2B. Next is a company conducting online survey is example of B2B, B2C, C2C or none of these. The same options are there. So when a company is conducting online survey, they are interacting with customer, so it is a part of business to customer. So here our answer is option B, B2C. Next is a customer complaining about product using toll-free number. Options are like this: B2B, B2C, C2B or none of these. So here we can see a customer is talking with businessman, so obviously it is related with option C, C2B. So correct answer is option C, C2B. Next is production department sending mail to marketing department for production planning. Options are like this: it is B2B, B2C, intra-B or none of these. So here we can see one department is talking with another department within the organization. That's why here our answer is option C, intra-B. Next is OLX is an example of which of the following. Options are like this: B2B, B2C, intra-B and C2C. So we know that on OLX, buyers and sellers both are customers. So here both customers are talking with each other. That's why our answer is option D, C2C. Next is placing order for supplying raw material by one businessman to another is called B2B, B2C, intra-B or C2C. So we know here one businessman is talking with another, so it is a part of B2B only. So correct option is option A, B2B. Next is communication with the help of intranet within office. Options are like this: B2B, B2C, intra-B and C2C. So here we can see communication is here within the office only, so it is part of intra-B only. So correct option is option C, intra-B. Next is formation of consumers forum and pressure group is example of B2B, B2C, intra-B or C2C. So here we can see consumer forum and pressure groups. These are created by consumers for interaction. So it is obviously part of C2C only. So correct answer is option D, C2C. Next is which is not true about e-business. Options are like this: easy formation, low setting up cost, more interpersonal touch and high transaction risk. So here we can see it's a negative question which is not true. So when we observe all the option here, option C, more interpersonal touch. It is not possible in e-business. So correct answer is option C, more interpersonal touch. Next is which is not true about traditional business. Options are like this: physical presence required, high setting up cost, interpersonal touch, and ease of going global. So here in traditional business, here it is also negative question. So from all these options, option D, ease of going global, it is not easy task for the traditional business in comparison to e-business. So here all options are true, but option D is not true about traditional business. So correct answer is option D, ease of going global. Next is which type of human capital required in e-business? Semi-skilled, unskilled, technically qualified, none of these. So here we are talking about e-business which is done on internet only. So obviously technically qualified staff we required. So correct answer is option C, technically qualified. Next is outsourcing. Options are like this: restricts only to the contracting out of information technology enabled services, restricts only to the contracting out the non-core business. Option C is includes contracting out of manufacturing and research and development as well as service processes, both core and non-core, but restricts only to the domestic territory. Next is includes offshoring. So when we are talking about outsourcing, so we are trying to find out which option is related with outsourcing. So outsourcing is related with option B, that is restrict only to the contracting out non-core business. So this is the correct answer, option B. Next is which is not benefit of outsourcing. Options are like this: focusing on attention, quest for excellence, cost reduction, and confidentiality. So here we can see in outsourcing we have to share the information with third party. So confidentiality is not possible here. So that's why here correct option is option D, confidentiality. Next is ease of going global is possible in traditional business, e-business, both A and B, or none of these. So we have already seen previous also in traditional business it is not possible. So correct answer is option E, option B, e-business. Next is personal inspection of goods is possible in traditional business, e-business, both A and B, and none of these. So personal inspection is possible only and only in traditional business. So correct answer is option A, traditional business. Next is India is preferred destination for business process outsourcing because of cheap people, poor condition, tax-free zone for BPOs, and cheap manpower. So here India is the preferred destination just because of here the manpower available at cheap rate. That's why they are preferring. So here correct answer is option D, cheap manpower. Next is a call center handles. Options are like this: only inbound voice based business, only outbound voice based business, both voice and non-voice based business, or option D, both customer facing and back end businesses. So when we are talking about call centers, they are handling both customer facing and back end businesses. So here correct answer is option D, both customer facing and back end business. Next is the payment mechanism typical to e-business. Options are like this: cash on delivery, credit and debit cards, checks, and last option D is e-cash. So here we can see cash on delivery, credit card, debit card, checks, e-cash, all things are used in e-business. But when we are talking about typically payment mechanism typical to e-business, Typical to e-business, here only the e-cash is suitable option. So the correct option is option D, e-cash. Next is, it is not an application of e-business. Options are like this: A, online bidding, online procurement, online trading, and contract research and development. So here when we talk about e-business means everything is online. So here option A, B and C, the online is there, so that's why it is not an application. It is a part of e-business. So when option D is there, contract research and development, it is not an application of e-business. So correct answer is option D, contract research and development. Next is, giving out the routine activities to an outside agency is e-business, business process outsourcing, C2C, or none of these. So whenever we are going out something, our routine activity, it is a part of outsourcing. So we can say here business process outsourcing. So correct answer is here option B, business process outsourcing. Next is, PayPal is good example of C2B, B2B, C2C and B2C. So we know the PayPal is providing service of mediator between two customers. So that's why it is an example of option C, C2C. Next is expand VPN. Options are like this: virtual popular network, virtual public network, virtual personal network, and virtual private network. So we know VPN is nothing but option D, virtual private network. So correct answer is option D, virtual private network. Next is, money withdrawn through ATM is dash type of e-business transaction. Options are like this: B2C, B2B, C2B and C2C. So here we can see the ATM, when we are withdrawing money from ATM, it is a communication between business and customer. So it is a part of B2C. Option A, B2C. So here our test is over. So you people do the total of your score and tell me in comment section.